Hello and welcome to my channel. For the ones who don't know me, my name is Jacqueline. Today I'm doing this video. It's about my nighttime routine. Yeah, what I do normally, I do my facial cleaning, and this is what I normally use. I use the wipes, and then I have this makeup remover, and then I have the serum, and then I have the nighttime cream. So what I do first, I just pour this cleaning water in the paper, and then I wipe. You remove the makeup wherever it is. Don't let this thing get into your eyes. Even though they say it doesn't have chemicals, we don't know. So you remove and your neck. You remove under your eyes, where the eyeliners was. You remove everything. And then you let it sink a little bit as you wait for the cleanse, because this thing is a little bit cold. What I normally do, I put them in the fridge, so it's a little bit cold. You need your pores to open so that the serum will absorb inside properly. So as I wait, I'll just be folding. I have some laundry here. I'll just be folding it as I wait for the pores to open so that I can put the serum in. Okay, yeah, I did some laundry. So I'll just fold it here as I wait. I can feel the cleansing is already going in well. Okay, I think I'll put the serum now. It comes in this little bottle. It comes with this little bottle. You just put a few drops. And then you can see how it's glossy and shiny. Put a little bit more. And this one I'll put under the eyes. You know, when you wake up and your eyes are a little tired, you see they are a little tired with like bugs in them. Puffiness, this one will help. When you wake up, your face will be all smooth and nice. And then you put even where you see you started getting some lines like, or wrinkles or whatever they are called. And this one will help. There are a lot of serums out there. I don't know which one is your preference, but for me, I normally use. I don't think I wanna say it here because it's not a promotional video, but there are a lot of them. There are over like 8. Just look for the one with like vitamin C for collagen, to repair the collagen. Okay. And then you put even under your neck, because sometimes the neck here when you are growing, it tend to get wrinkly fast, right? Yeah. Okay, now as I wait for the serum to sink in, before I put the nighttime cream. If you see something coming with a small package like this, you know it's something good. It's expensive, but it's really good. Since I started using it, I've seen a lot of difference. Okay, as we wait again, I continue finishing my laundry. Yeah, you have to, after every time you put something, you have to let it sink a little bit. You can't just put everything at once, No, you have to let it sink and do some working inside. Okay. So other than that, just do the folding. I'm not a good folder, I'll just hang them. Olivia, can you try to reduce your volume, please? The copywriting. Thank you. Maybe I'm gonna sleep soon. So this is my nighttime routine. Olivia, do you have a book that I can read for you? That you can read before you go to bed? You're gonna be bedtime soon. Go get a book. Okay, so as we wait for Olivia, I'll just put the night cream. So the night cream, it's this one. At first you have to start with serum and then the night cream. And then for the day, you put serum again and then you put the day cream. So what I do first, sit there and wait. Let me finish putting this and then I'll read the book for you. Okay, I start with the eyes first. The eyes tend to show the aging first. You have to fight with the aging, right? The reason why I did the black and white video, because I don't want you to know what kind of cream I'm using. I don't want to put them on the whatever. I don't want to. Because now my videos, the amount of times I can't be just putting anything on the video. Because people might say their product. So I have to put black and white video. So that it doesn't have to show. It's not makeup, it's oil.
That's what they said.
It's makeup?
Yeah. Okay. It looks like makeup.
I wish. Makeup when I'm going to bed? You can't put makeup when you're going to bed.
That's silly.
Yeah. It's very shiny. Yeah, just slowly massage it.
Ooh, her face is getting sparkly and clean.
Yeah, even Olivia can notice. She said my face is getting sparkly and clean. Yeah. So let it sink in. So the things that I used the wipes. They are cleansing and makeup removing micellar wipes. You can get them from any drug mart store or pharmacy or chemist, whatever you call it. and then I clean it with this water. This water is really good. Let's say even you're traveling or whatever, you don't have to wash your face. You just put this in that thing. You just rinse it. You put in that the wipes, and then you just wipe it. You wipe the makeup up. It's all clean. Even if I put a white towel now, it's nothing. It doesn't show anything at all. And then I put the serum. This is super, super, super good. And then I put the night cream. You need to get the best night cream to put to build your collagen. As you age, you know you need some good creams for your skin. Otherwise, you'll be all wrinklish and you know what. Okay. So as it's sinking, I'm still doing something over here. I'll continue folding my clothes. And thanks guys for watching my videos. And it's almost time for someone to go to bed soon. Okay, so that's all for now. My face is all set to go to bed now. Now it's time for story for Olivia. Okay, let's read the book. Let's read this book and then you go sleep. Come over here. Come say hello.
Hello, everyone.
Hello, it's Olivia. Olivia is in the building. So we are reading this Bedtime storybook. Is it Bedtime?
Yes.
Frozen. I don't think Frozen is Bedtime, but who will read it anyway? Okay, you want to read it for me?
No, you read it for me.
Oh, I thought you forgot how to read. Okay, let's see. Start.
You start.
Elsa, the new queen of
Arendelle.
and a big
Secret.
she could
Freeze things with her hands.
She could freeze things with her hands. Okay.
Look.
Yes. Okay. Elsa powers grew
out of control. She decided to run away.
Good.
Elsa created a giant ice palace in the mountain.
Good.
She became the snow queen.
Whoa.
Look at
Anna?
asked Elsa to come back home.
And then?
And the sisters got into a big fight.
Oh my goodness. Elsa?
Elsa accidentally put a freezing cast on Anna.
Oh. Elsa?
She almost died.
Elsa never?
Elsa never meant to hurt Anna. She wanted to help. Lava broke the
Curse.
The sisters were together again at last.
Oh my goodness, that's the end of the story. And good night everybody. Say good